Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Mitochondrial membranes are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's analyze how hydrogen ions move during cellular respiration to find the answer. First, look at the diagram to identify region A as the intermembrane space. During the electron transport chain, energy is used to pump hydrogen ions into this specific area immediately. Because these ions are being moved against their concentration gradient, this process is active transport. This creates a much higher concentration of hydrogen ions in region A compared to region B. Region A has a higher concentration due to active transport. This matches the description in option C. You just crushed this difficult biology question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps carefully.